Hey guys, and welcome back to Cubing 14X. Today, I will be showing you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Today, I will be showing you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, here are some things that you should know before starting to solve a Rubik's Cube. So, this is a centerpiece. The yellow centerpiece is always opposite from the white centerpiece. The blue centerpiece is always opposite from the green centerpiece. And the red centerpiece is always opposite from the orange centerpiece. Other pieces are the corner pieces, which have 3 colors on it, in this case green, white, and orange. And then the edge pieces, which have 2 colors on them, in this case yellow and red. So starting the solve, the first thing you want to do is do the daisy. So you want to look on your cube for all the white edge pieces. So, for example, there's one here, there's 2, there's 4, 3, and 4. So there are all your white edge pieces. We're going to pick, say, this one. And we want to get this one in order to make a daisy, the white to the top. So in order to get this edge piece to the top, you just turn that side and it goes onto the top. This edge piece to get up to here, see, it's up here now, but it's not facing up here, and this is where we want it. So in that case, you can just turn, and now it's on the top. Same thing with this one, and do the exact same thing. Boom. Now it's on the top. So, and then this last one's pretty straightforward. Just turn these bottom 2 layers until it's matched up. Turn, and now you have your daisy. Step 2 after solving the daisy is to make the white cross. So we want all these pieces to be down here. But don't go ahead of yourself and just start turning, because there's a specific way you have to do it. So you have to match up this white edge piece that's one of the petals on the daisy, and look at the other color. Then you want to turn the bottom 2 layers until it's matched up with this color, and then you want to turn that side twice. Repeat that with all of the edges. So this case, green, this is green center. Blue, we want it to be matched up with the blue center. And then orange, we want it to be matched up with the orange center. And now you have your white cross solved. The next thing is the first layer. First layer is a little bit trickier, but you can pick up on it pretty quickly. So what you want to happen is these white edges to be down on the bottom layer. So what you want to do first is look around for white pieces on the top layer. So we have one here, and we have one here. If you don't have any white pieces in the top layer, I'll cover that in a second. White corner pieces. Then, what you want to do is get the piece to be like this. So it's facing out, not facing up. I'll cover that later. Then, what you want to do is find the other color that's not on the top, but the other side. Since there's 3 pieces, 3 colors on the corner piece, I want to find the other color that's not the white piece, that's not on the top. In this case, it's red. Then you want to turn the bottom 2 layers until red is diagonal with its center. Once you get there, you do this. R, U, R prime. But instead of remembering the algorithm, you can just remember what to do with your fingers. This one, we want to find not the top one, but the other side one, which is orange. Line it up with orange. So this time it's on the left. So now we want to go L, U, R prime. So again, you don't have to remember the algorithm, just remember what to do with your fingers. So this one's on the outside, it's on the top. Blue, diagonal, boom, And now your first layer is solved. As a bonus, so will your bottom face. So here's what to do if there's a white sticker or piece facing up. I know this is a different cube. I had all my other cubes, I had the other scenarios set up. So if your white sticker is facing up and you want it to go, let's say here, I don't know, or into the correct slot, whatever. You want to just make it so it's not facing up. So you can just go, but now it's on the bottom layer. So if it's on the bottom layer, you can just go, and now it's correct, which is what we covered before. So just turn the bottom two layers until we find it's matched up. Looks like we got one out of place. And there you are. Now on to the second layer. After this step, both of these two layers that I'm turning right now will be solved. So the very first step is to find any edge pieces that do not have yellow on them in the top layer. So in this case we have this one that does not have yellow. This one does have yellow, so we're not going to worry about that one. This one does not have yellow, and this one does not have yellow. So right now we're just focusing on these three. You can focus on one at a time. So what you want to do is find this edge piece, this piece on that edge piece, on one that does not have yellow, and you want to turn the bottom two layers until that piece matches up with its center. So in this case it's the red-blue edge piece, and the red is now matched up with the center. After you do that, you want to look on either sides. Now you're focusing on this color. So you have to look for what center is on what other side. So you're looking for the blue center because blue is on top of this edge piece. So this is not the blue center. This is the blue center. Now what you want to do is turn the top layer away from that center. And then, because it's on the left side, you go up to the side, down, and back. So now it's matched up like this. Now it's like now is like the first layer. You just match these up, and then that edge piece comes into that slot, and it's solved. So now repeat that process with all the other edge pieces without yellow. So this one is matched up with the green center now. Okay, and so then there's orange on the top. So here's the orange center. We're going to turn it away from the orange center. You can go up to the side, down, and back. Now it's matched up. And now it's solved. It's matched up. Here's the blue center. Turn it away, up, to the side, down, and back. And just like that, your second layer is solved. Here is a special case. So if you're looking for like edge pieces, and if you ever come across an edge piece that's in the second layer but not in the correct spot, all you want to do is this. That's it. And then you have to fix the white corner piece that you put out to get that one into the top layer. Now it's fixed, and now it's in the top layer. So now we can just go, okay, here's the orange. And now it's in. The final layer, algorithms. So the first thing you want to do is look on your cube. There should either be a line like this, one yellow, 2 yellow, 3 yellow, like excluding these pieces, or an L like this, excluding this piece. It just looks like an L. It has to be in the top left and looks like it is 9 o'clock. If you have something that looks like this or like this, just wait for the next part, because this is part of the next algorithm. So what you want to do with these two, I'll use this one for example, is do this algorithm. So these little apostrophes right here are primes, and prime means counterclockwise. So this is front, not counterclockwise. This is the top. U, clockwise. R, clockwise. U prime, counterclockwise. R prime, counterclockwise. And F, clockwise. So one thing to clarify is F is the front, U is the top, R is this side, and L is this side. R is the right, L is the left. It's pretty easy to remember, except U is just the top. U, how I remembered was U up, you know, same thing. Okay, so let's do it. F, clockwise, U, clockwise, R, clockwise, U prime, counterclockwise, R prime, counterclockwise, and F, clockwise. So now you have this little L. Now you have to repeat this same algorithm. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F. And now you have finished this step. If you have something that is like you do not have the line or the L, just wait. Because if you don't have the line or the L, just do this algorithm. You might have to do it multiple times, but here's the algorithm. You can take a screenshot if you want. Okay, so now you have the yellow cross. So excluding these pieces, you just have this yellow cross. That's all you need. So either there's two scenarios. You're either gonna have this yellow cross or this fish. So this fish is different from this because see how this kind of looks like a fish? Like the tail, the front, and this just does not. This is just a block of something. So there's one algorithm for both of these. Also, your cross might look like this. Also, if you have the cross like this, you're gonna have to do the fish. Okay, so here's the algorithm. So here's that next algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U2, which is just the top clockwise twice. U2, R prime. So if you ever see a 2, it's just that move twice. So here it is, if you actually use it. So R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. And now we have this fish. So we don't want the fish to be facing just any way, because that's not going to help you. You want the fish to be swimming down to this bottom left corner. So make the fish like this, like make him turn the cube so it looks like this, and then make him swimming down there, this way. And then repeat the same algorithm. If you already got the fish, you just repeat the same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. So the fish is here again. He's swimming this way. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. And now the top face is solved. Here is that last algorithm if you want to take a screenshot. Okay, now inserting these edges. So this next one is one that you can really scare people with because it's a long algorithm. But if you look very closely, this cutoff right here, if you just cut this off, this is the only algorithm you really need to remember, because this last half of it is the exact same as this. So really, you can just like do it with it. I cannot speak today. Woo. Okay. So you want to look for any edges that match. So like for in this case blue and blue. But on this cube we have no edges that match. So what we want to do is you want to just try to find any edges that match. So in this cube we have these two edges match because it's green and green. Also, I thought there were other ones that matched. So you want to just find those and hold those in your left hand. If you have none, then you just want to find any. You just want to hold something in your left hand. And then you want to do this algorithm. When you start this algorithm, do not get tricked, because R prime is this way, but L prime is this way, because this is counterclockwise and this is counterclockwise. So that's just something that a lot of people mess up on. So here we go. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R, R prime. Now you see the fish is facing this way, and we just do that exact same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. And now we have to do that algorithm one more time, because now we have one edges that match up. If you have all edges matching up, then wait for the next step. So let's do this one more time. L, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. And now all the edges are matching, and that was our goal. Here's the algorithm. Please focus, camera. Here it is. Final step. Okay. So you've made it this far. Congrats. Now you're probably exhausted from watching this. So this last algorithm will enable you to solve the entire cube. So let's get into it. Either have these two scenarios where they're all like this with a different edge piece here, or they're all like this but one side is solved. If you have one side solved, you want to hold that in the back. You want to have that facing the back. If in this case, you can have any side facing the back. So let's do this algorithm. F2, U prime, R prime, L, F2, L prime, R, U prime, F2. So now we have one side correct. Now this, you might have to do this algorithm 2 more times or 1 more time. So let's just do it again. So this side is facing the back. F2, U prime, R, L, F2, L, R, U prime, F2. And now your cube is solved. So here's that last algorithm. Okay. And now your cube is solved. So I really hope that this was helpful, and I will do another one right after this. We'll do it at full speed. Not full speed, but we'll do it all at once. Okay, so here is the full solve. Okay, so remember the first step? That's the daisy. So 4 edge pieces. Correct? I want to move this one to here. This bottom one can go up here. So we can just go like that. No, this one has to be matched up. And this one's matched up. The blue one still needs to be matched up. Now this one's facing the top, so we just went. So now we have to line this up as its center. This one's on the bottom. Move it to the top. First layer is done. Now, match it up, turn it away from its center. Now that's inserted, turn it away from the top center. Turn it away from the red center. And then your second layer is solved. Now to do the top layer. So now we're on this algorithm. So we found that line, F, U, R, U prime, R, prime, F. Now that's, okay. Now we do R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. Got the fish swimming this way. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. Okay, now that's gone. Now we need this algorithm. So I don't think there's any edges that are matching. So I have to do it twice. Sorry, I'm going really fast on that algorithm. This is to show you, if you like memorize your algorithms, you can get fast. Okay, and then the final algorithm. I don't have any faces, so F2, U, L. Now we have this face, it's in the back. Okay, and there we go. Then your cube is solved. My best time with this method is 39 seconds. So you can go really fast if you get good at it, and I can show you a solve without using the algorithms. So see these algorithms? Now they're gone. So let's scramble up the cube. Now our cube is scrambled. So I'm going to show you how to solve it really fast. I mean, I don't really know how to explain to do it faster, but it just takes practice. It takes a lot of practice. This took me about like 3 days to memorize all the algorithms and like be able to do it like pretty fast. Being able to do it fast for like a week. So have patience while doing this. This takes a lot of patience. Okay, so I'm gonna do this pretty fast. Where's the other one? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. First layer done. Second layer almost done. Alright, second layer done. See, this is what I meant with like if there's no L or line. Did I skip a whole algorithm? Yes. That is possible too, to skip algorithms. Now it's solved. Well, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will hopefully see you tomorrow with a new video. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Maybe. You don't know. You don't know. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully.